Hello, this is Lego JC. I haven't made a video in a really long time, and because I've been busy and all that stuff. So this is how to build a mini Lego red truck. I have not done this yet, so here we go. Here are the pieces you need for this video. This one right here, another, so two of these, a clear 2x2, clear slope, 2x2 red, 4 black studs, and 1 smooth to blue. Let's get building. So first, get this piece, and this piece, and this piece. So you put one here, and then put the other one here. So it's like this. So if you miss that part, just put those two pieces on top of this clear. And get your 4 studs and put them on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you have the wheels. And get the stud and put it in front. Right here. So it looks like this. Okay, let me just get it straight. There you go, like that. And then, oh wait, say it. Wait, don't do that. Wait, where's that? So we put this right here. Okay. Put the smooth piece right here, so put that on there, and that there, and put that right there, and ta-da, you have your own mini Lego red truck. And just please subscribe, like this video, comment section below, and I starred in Nick Tanner video. If you search him up, capital N, capital T, he has no pick. And he's only made 2 videos because there's 2 Nick Tanners. So look for the one with 2 videos and 1 subscriber, 2 subscribers, okay? And yeah, I starred in that one, so it was really fun. Bye guys. May do giveaways soon. If you want me to do giveaways, tell me which giveaways you want me to do. Bye.